Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing an overheating PS5. If your PS5 gets loud, shuts down, or shows temperature warnings, this is for you. First, power off the PS5 completely by holding the power button until it fully shuts down. Unplug the power cable from the back of the PS5. Unplug the HDMI cable from the PS5 as well. Place the PS5 on a clean, flat surface with good lighting. Make sure your PS5 is standing vertically for better airflow during testing. Look at the top exhaust vents of the PS5. If you see dust build up in the PS5 vents, this can cause overheating. Take a soft brush and gently sweep dust away from the PS5 vents. Brush along the PS5 side panels to clear trapped debris. Now look at the PS5 bottom intake vents. Use the brush again to clean the intake vents of the PS5. If you have a can of compressed air, hold it upright. Lightly blow air through the PS5 vents, short and controlled bursts only. Do not tilt the can upside down while cleaning the PS5. Keep the air nozzle at least 2 inches away from the PS5 vents. Continue blowing air along every vent on the PS5. Turn the PS5 around and check the rear exhaust vent. Blow air through the PS5 rear vent to remove deeper dust. Now check the PS5 power port area. Brush away dust around the PS5 power port. Remove dust around the PS5 HDMI port as well. Set the brush aside once all PS5 ports and vents look clean. Now we will remove the PS5 side panel to clean the fan. Hold the PS5 firmly, and gently slide the side panel upward and off. Do not force the PS5 panel. It should slide off smoothly. Once open, you'll see the PS5 cooling fan. Check if dust is collected along the PS5 fan blades. Use the brush to carefully clean the PS5 fan blades. Gently rotate the PS5 fan with your finger to clean all sides. Blow small bursts of air around the PS5 fan housing. Do not overspin the PS5 fan while cleaning. Make sure no dust remains inside the PS5 fan cavity. Next, locate the dust catchers on the PS5 interior. These small dust traps are designed for easy cleaning. Use a vacuum on low suction to clean the PS5 dust catchers. Move slowly. Don't press the vacuum nozzle hard into the PS5. Double-check the PS5 interior for any remaining dust. If everything looks clean, reattach the PS5 side panel. Slide the PS5 panel downward until it clicks into place. Set the PS5 upright in a well-ventilated position. Do not place the PS5 in a closed cabinet or tight shelf. Avoid placing the PS5 near a wall where airflow is blocked. Make sure the PS5 has at least 4 inches of space on all sides. Plug the HDMI cable back into the PS5. Plug the power cable back into the PS5. Press the power button to turn the PS5 on. Let the PS5 idle on the home screen for a moment. Listen to the PS5 and notice if the fan is quieter. Start a game to test the PS5 under normal workload. If the PS5 no longer heats up loudly, the cleaning helped. If the PS5 still gets hot, your thermal paste may need replacement. Replacing PS5 thermal paste is more advanced, so be cautious. But most overheating PS5 problems are fixed with cleaning alone. Keep your PS5 in an open area for best cooling performance. Clean your PS5 vents every few months to prevent overheating. This helps the PS5 run quieter, cooler, and last longer. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Like, subscribe, and comment if this helped fix your PS5.